morning, friends. Welcome back to my channel. It is episode 2 and it is a beauty week. We are getting all types of things done this week. I got my nails done yesterday. I went to Y&D nail salon in West Village. I really like my nails. I think these might be my favorite nails I've ever gotten. And then today, it is so loud. I don't know if you guys can even hear me, but I am going to get a haircut. Finally, you guys. Oh my God. This poor hair. I'm so embarrassed. I can't even look at it. I had to wait because, well, first I waited because I didn't know where to go because I was traveling so much and I can be very picky about my hair, and when I don't know where I need to go, I just don't do it. And then I also waited because I knew I was moving to New York. I was like, you know what? I'm just gonna wait and get it done at my favorite salon here in New York City, 14J. It's an Aveda salon. I'm sure there's a million phenomenal salons here in New York. Once I find like one salon I like, I stick with it. I don't try anything new. So I don't have a lot of experience with salons here. If you know any good ones, let me know. Yeah, I really like this salon. So let's go get a haircut. I need it so bad. Let me show you guys what I'm going for. I really want to do just want to go for really full, nice layers. Hopefully they can give me that. Basically, I'm going for something just like this. I just want layers all around and then some really nice bangs. Not too short though, but I really just want to switch things up, keep the length, you know? I've had the same hairstyle for years, so I really want to switch it up and just do something different, but don't want to cut it. I've been working so hard to grow it. It gets so long, it starts to get tangled, so I get so much breakage at the end. Getting a keratin treatment at the end of this week. I am so excited. The number one thing I've missed in New York City is my keratin. Literally, it's pretty much a perm. It's like a straightening perm if I'm being real, but I'm obsessed. So you'll see that in this video as well. It's just gonna be like a beauty week. Come along with me. So let's go ahead and head out to this appointment and get our hair done. I am so excited today. You guys have no idea how long I have been looking forward to this day. I am finally going to get a keratin treatment. I'm going to take you guys along with me, of course, and I'll show you guys after and show you guys kind of the process of how I get my hair looking super healthy. And first thing I do when I need a hair makeover, obviously I get a haircut. Now that I got my hair cut, it's not styled today because I just rolled out of bed. I'm going to get a keratin treatment in a few hours. I didn't want to style it, obviously. I don't need to. I've waited 5 years to get this treatment. Could have just flown into New York to get it, obviously, but I didn't do that. I thought I could get the equivalent treatment in LA or basically anywhere in the world. I also got a keratin treatment in Mexico City. Nothing compares. This is a really strong straightening perm, and it lasts me a good year, I swear. I'm so excited. I cannot tell you guys how excited I am to have hair that I can just go out at night in and not have to worry about the curls falling out, the frizz, little tiny things that just make your life a little bit easier. It takes an hour to style, blow dry. Benefits are endless. The search for the perfect jean is still on. I am at Levi's now. This is literally 3 days later. I went to Abercrombie, could not find what I liked. I went to Cotton On, thought I found what I liked, bought a pair of jeans, just returned them. Turns out I don't like them at all. So I just got a few pairs from Levi's. This is, let's see, we have a ribcage wide leg. I think ribcage is supposed to go up higher, so I probably like those the least. And then I also got these, what are these? Easy Dad. Did I mean to get these? I don't know. I don't think I'm gonna like these. I might not even try these on. I can tell by the look of them, that's not what I'm looking for. Hopefully these work. These are the Curve 501s. Although I kind of want a wide leg. I actually don't hate these. Aren't the ones I'm gonna choose, but the fit is not too bad actually. What do you guys think? I just think my butt looks so small. It's the only thing. No butt, no ass. Oh my God. That was unsuccessful. Unfortunately, I didn't like those, but I liked the way the 501 Curve fit. So I'm going to go see if they have 501 Curve with a wide leg. Wish me luck. I really hope they do. If they have them, I'm just not even gonna try them. It's so hard. I just want a good fitting jean. Oh man. I just messed up my pedicure. I just got done not even 30 minutes ago. I'm so annoyed. Should I go back? I am feeling exhausted today. I literally woke up why did I book a Pilates class first thing in the morning? I'm so tired, but I'm getting up, I'm getting out, and I'm gonna get a second wind at any second now. I can feel it. Super excited because I'm starting this overpriced Pilates class today. It's through my gym, so I think it's $25 a class for members, but if you're not a member, it's like $50 per class, which is absolutely insane. But the cool part is that you get access to their bathhouse afterwards. So if you book a Pilates class, you get to use the spa after. So I'm so excited because I brought my bathing suit and a nice little robe, and I'm gonna have a little spa day. Should have brought a book or something. We're gonna stop and grab breakfast, and then I'm gonna head to my Pilates class and then the spa, and it's gonna be absolutely incredible, and I cannot wait. I've been looking forward to this all week. I just wanna soak in that hot tub and relax. So I'm so excited to get my fitness routines on check again, unlock, whatever I'm trying to say, girl. Shout out to this salad place. It's like called Chopped or something. I have no idea, but it's so good. I got the Chinese salad. Oh my god, it's so like nutritious and filling, and it has chicken, and I could eat this every single day. Heading out to go to a little Sunday fun day with my friend Lo. I haven't seen her in like 5 years since I left New York City, and we hung out a few times before I left. She did my hair. I'm excited to go have lunch, and we're just gonna catch up. This is the cardigan I'm wearing. Little Zara jeans. Let me show you the jeans. And these shoes. I am wearing, oh, did I lose ya? I'm wearing these little brown sandals. So cute. These are from Steve Madden. I'll try to link them for you. I just got my toes done yesterday. It's literally cloudy out, but I don't care. It's 70 degrees. I'm wearing the sandals. They're so cute and so comfortable. I got these so I could like actually wear a heel, walk around, and be at least semi-comfortable. I'll let you know how they are, even though I can tell the thong is going to be uncomfortable after a while, but whatever. So cute. I recorded myself taking out these flat twists and I didn't even press the record button. This is the second time this has happened now. Okay, listen. All I was saying was that I got my keratin treatment, my favorite keratin, at Bar NYC, obviously in the city. And I just wanted to take these flat twists out with you guys because I wanted you to see the results. But unfortunately, I took them off camera. But I was saying that I love doing this. I don't have to style my hair and I don't have to put heat on it. Getting the keratin makes it so I have to use a lot less heat and do a lot less styling, and my hair just ends up a lot stronger from it. So my hair always grows a ton and gets super healthy whenever I'm regularly getting keratin and like proper haircuts. So I'm so glad to be in New York City to be able to like keep up with it. I didn't really do best work. If I'm honest, this isn't the best I've ever done with my hair, but I like it. It just is easy and it just is heat free, which is what I care about most. And it still makes me look, mildly attractive so that I feel cute and I go about my day without having to actually style my hair. I've been curling my hair every single day just to make it look, presentable, but this will work for me. It's perfect for summer too. It's perfect for the humidity. So yeah, I'm gonna head out to the gym. All I'm doing this week is going to the gym. I don't know if you guys care or not. Oh, you know what I wanted to update you guys on as well? In my last vlog, you guys were asking me about my experience with LA and like can go more into like why you hated it. I just needed to preface that like, yes, I can be a bit dramatic sometimes, but a lot of that was just my personal experience and timing of it all. I moved to LA just before COVID, literally 2 weeks before COVID lockdown. So the changed and then there was a lot happening in the area just after that. Then I suddenly was single and then just a lot of stuff was going on behind the scenes. And it was really just my personal experience in LA, which is what colored my view of it, if that makes sense. But I will say it is a very transactional city and it does feel incredibly good to not be in that type of environment anymore. Even with dating, I can tell is completely different. I just feel like LA, for as big as the city is, it feels so small to me. Like once you've been there for years, there's only so many places you can go, so many restaurants you can see. Obviously, there's plenty of stuff I haven't there yet, but I feel like I did so much there. Like I tore that city up, really. So it feels good to be like in a new environment with new faces and new people. And right before I moved, it feels like I'm living the same day over and over in LA. Like it just feels like I wake up and do the same things, see the same people, go to the same restaurants, see the same faces, same friends. Like I just needed like novelty and a fresh start in my life. So yeah, that's my take on LA. Honestly, if you're moving there soon, I got some comments from you guys saying like, I'm moving there soon, you're freaking me out. Just go enjoy your life. It's an experience, and LA is stunning. It's a beautiful place. You're gonna love it and enjoy yourself. My experience could happen anywhere to anyone. It literally just a matter of what you're going through in your life and who you're surrounding yourself with, really, that will color your experience. I just didn't have the best experience over the last like couple years, especially. So it just was time to go, and that was really what I was trying to explain to you guys. But alas, here we are in New York City, and I'm so happy. I probably look exhausted because I am exhausted, you guys. I can feel how swollen my eyes are. I can barely keep them open because I'm so tired. I have not been sleeping that well just because I think I'm in like a new environment. I've just been on the go every day. Every day I've been going to the gym. I've been going all the way to Manhattan, all the way. It's really only like 40 minutes, but still, like, I've just been getting up, getting the train, running errands, doing this, doing that. Every day feels like there's something to do. I also like jam-packed my schedule when I first got here, like the first week. I don't know what I was thinking. I was like, I'll meet up with this friend, I'll go to coffee with this friend, I'll do all of these things I've been dying to do. I want to join the gym, go to Pilates, like all the stuff I've been dying to do, I wanted to do within like the first week. So I just need to chill out, sit down. Even content-wise, I filmed so much in the first week. I'm like, no, I have all these like video ideas, but I plan to only release one video per week. So I'm like, let me chill out, put more effort and time into each video. So hopefully you're enjoying things. Thank you for all the compliments on the camera and the camera quality. That makes me so happy. We needed an upgrade on my channel in general. So exciting times. Thank you for all of like your loving and beautiful comments on my last video as well. Just your overwhelming support in general has been truly like so nice. It just feels so good. And it makes me feel like doing this isn't totally pointless. Sometimes it feels like it. I feel like such a loser, or like this is just the most pointless thing. I'm wasting my time with social media. Sometimes it feels like that. So seeing all your like loving comments make me feel like reassured. That makes sense. Maybe I'll end this vlog here. Yeah. Thank you guys so much for watching today's video. Make sure you're subscribed and turn on the notifications bell. I upload every single Sunday. So I will see you guys next week. Bye.